So here we look at alkyne halogenation, or in other words, the addition of something like bromine to an alkyne. And in terms of just thinking about its starting material and its products, this is definitely one of the more straightforward reactions out there. The reaction here will actually occur twice, and we end up with halogens, two halogens on each of the carbons of what was the alkyne. The main complication, though, with this reaction is the mechanism. So we know that in the first half of this reaction, the alkyne gets converted to an alkene with one addition of bromine. And then the second half is a reaction we've learned previously, the Alkyne halogenation. That's a reaction we've previously studied. But what's the mechanism of the first half? Well, unlike a lot of reactions, the mechanism of this first half, we don't know. It turns out that even after this reaction has been known for quite a long time, the mechanism of this reaction is not well understood. And so that doesn't leave us with a whole lot to talk about for this reaction. Most of the applications of this reaction are synthetic. And so we'll just finish up here by looking at a couple of other examples. But regardless of how simple the alkene is, or how complicated it is, the net result is the same. We get two halogens added to each carbon of what was the alkyne. And as with halogenation of alkenes, you can use other halogens, but again, iodine and fluorine tend to work not as well, whereas bromine and chlorine generally work pretty easily.